Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Before we start, I want you to take a deep breath and I want you to tell yourself quietly in your heart I am here, I am alive, and I have a purpose. Today, I am not here to give you a boring lecture, I am here as your friend, as someone who has also faced fear, doubt, failure, and pain, but I am still here, and so are you. This means something we did not give up, and because you did not give up, I believe you are ready for something greater. You are stronger than you think, you are more capable than you feel. You may be tried, but you are not finished. Every big dream starts with one small belief I can do it. Not everyone will believe in you, sometimes not even your own family or friends. That is okay, their doubt does not define your future. The real question is, do you believe in you? Think of a baby learning to walk. It falls many times, but it keeps trying. Finally, it walks. Nobody laughed at the baby. Why? Because we all know failing is part of learning. So, why do you judge ourselves so harshly? Why do we say, I am not good enough when things get hard? Stop that voice. Replace it with this one. I am learning, I am growing, I am not giving up. Let's be honest. Talent is good, but hard work is unbeatable. There are thousands of talented people out there who never achieve their goals. Why? Because they did not show up every day. Now think about people who were not the smartest or most skilled, but they were determined. They did not stop when it got hard. They did not stop when others laughed. They just kept working. That is the secret. Consistency beats talent when talent does not work hard. It's school, a job, a business, or a dream. Success will never come to your door. You have to go out and work for it. Example, Cristiano Ronaldo, the football star, was not one the best. He trained harder than anyone, and that is why he became one of the best and greatest. Failure hurts, does not it? It makes us question ourselves. But listen, failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Every time you fall, you learn something. Every mistake is a teacher. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failure, he said, I did not fail, I found 1,000 ways they did not work. That is the attitude of a winner. Next time you fail, don't ask why me. Ask what can I learn. We live in a noisy world. Everyone is showing their perfect lives on social media, but behind every photo, there is a story you don't see. Stop comparing, focus on your own growth. Everyone has their timing, their journey. A flower does not look at the flower next to it. It just blooms, so should you. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Be better than that vision. Reflection moment, pause and ask, what is one small step you can take today to move forward? Time is your most valuable gift. It does not come back. If you waste it, you are wasting life. Use your time for growth, for love, for building your future. You don't need to be busy, you need to be international. Ask yourself daily, is this activity helping me grow? Is this moving me toward my dream? If not, say no. Learn to protect your time like gold. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems, it means believing you can overcome them. When you think positivity, your energy change, you attract better people, better ideas, and even when things go wrong, you will have the strength to say it is okay, I can handle this. You become like the people you spend the most time with. So choose wisely. Be around people who encourage your dream, not kill them, and be someone who adds value to others' sport. Uplift, inspire, and great support system can take you far. Your body is your engine, your mind is your driver. Keep both healthy. Sleep well, eat healthy, exercise, talk to someone if your heart feels heavy. Mental health matters. You are not weak if you ask for help. You are wise. When you feel good, you do better. So, thank you often for life, for lessons, even for pain, because it taught you something. Gratitude keeps you grounded. It opens the heart and always stay humble no matter how far you go. The tallest trees bend the most. Malala Yousafzai was shot for going to school. She did not stop. She won the Nobel Peace Prize. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in jail and come out to lead a nation. Your story still being written. You don't need to be famous to be amazing. You just need to keep going. Today we talk about dreams, about hard work, about failing, rising, growing and believing. But now it is your turn. Do not just feel motivated today, act. Written your goals, take that next step. Say it with me, I am ready, I will not quit, I believe in my journey. And remember, life will test you, but it will also reward your courage. Keep going because you are stronger than you think.